Hey, David from PowerProbe. I'm going to go over each of the different test modes in the new PP3 PowerFlow. So we're going to start with when you first start up. This is called PowerProbe mode. This is the mode that will be your DC voltmeter for checking voltages, checking powers, checking grounds. You will be able to apply power in this mode. You'll be able to apply ground in this mode. And you'll be able to apply the P plus positive loading, PowerFlow loading, and the P negative negative loading. For example, this circuit here looks like a good 12 volts. Let me put the load on it to see if this is a good circuit. Oh, we dropped down to 7. We don't want to usually see more than a half a volt drop from the voltage we started with. So let's check this point here. We'll load it. We had very minimal drop, so that one looks good. This one we had a big drop. So there's something between these 2 points. We've got a corroded wire, a bad connector that's causing our voltage drop that needs to get repaired. We'll fix that. Load test it again. Now we're back to where we should be.